Hi, my name's Rob McCarthy. I'm with SkipperBud's at Belmare Harbor and McRae Harbor on beautiful Lake St. Clair. Today we're on this 2009 Sea Ray 310 Sundancer. Keep in mind that this model was rebadged and called a 330 Sundancer. Starting aft, the upholstery is in beautiful shape for a 2009. Teak table that folds. Sink and refrigerator here in the cockpit. Moving to the helm, updated Garmin electronics, autopilot. There's just 465 hours on the engines. Very nice option is the bow thruster. And now down in the cabin, there's 4 steps, very comfortable steps going down into the cabin. Again, the soft goods down here are in excellent shape. Nice size berth forward. Locker storage, complete galley.